Hello ladies, welcome to my channel. This is Polkis and this is gonna be episode number 1 for the money series. We're starting this whole money series here. I already have one money series in Spanish, so if you want to check it out, you can go and check in the playlist. It's called Serie de Dinero and everything is in Spanish. There's over 35 videos about talking about money, and there is other series too. So if you're new to my channel and you resonate with English, stay, and if you want to listen to this in español, vayan a ver el otro play. Okay ladies, so today we're going to be talking about, of course, money and feeling scared or being afraid of having money. So today I want to ask you something, and it's, are you scared of having money? And why? Why are you scared of money? Why are you scared of being rich, or why are you scared of being a millionaire? And we're gonna go a little bit in depth. The first question will be really sitting down with yourself and asking this question: why am I scared of money? And usually when we're scared of something, or we feel like this kind of fear towards something, is because it's unknown. We don't know it yet. We don't understand it. For example, if you go to another country and they just put you in the street and they speak a completely different language, you don't know where the store is, what the whole transportation system works like, then you're gonna feel scared, right? Because it's unknown. Anything unknown makes us scared. The body and the nervous system is alert, is sending an alert, a notification to your brain that, hey, this is something new, therefore you shall be scared because you don't understand it yet. So first, let's acknowledge ourselves and have compassion for ourselves that, hey, maybe I'm scared because I don't know it and I don't understand it, but that's the current situation, and in the future, and I'm gonna start working on it, I'm gonna update these beliefs and I'm not gonna be scared of having money anymore because I'm gonna make everything possible to understand it. So how can we do this? First of all, thank you for watching this video, because I feel that women need to talk more about money and normalize it, because it's like a taboo. If you really think about it, when you want money, we feel this type of shame. And because we feel the shame, we do not want to talk openly about it with our partners or spouses or parents or friends. And of course, there is always that broke friend that you cannot even talk money about it. We know, like, this person is just closed-minded, everything is triggering, and we're going to be talking about friendships and money in another episode, because that's a whole 2-video one. But the thing is that we don't talk about it enough to where you don't really get to discover it, understanding it, and really learning about money. And the only way you can learn about something is to actually learn it, to understand it, to read about it, to talk about it, and to ask questions about it. Of course, right? Like if we go to school, we don't know anything, but once we start talking about it, once the professor starts teaching it and you start doing exercises and work around this thing that you're learning, then at the end of the semester, you're going to be like, oh, I know it, I understand it. And that's why we have to talk about money. And that's why I'm here. I'm your money bestie. So I have taught money, as I say, over 30 videos over there in my here in my YouTube channel in Spanish, and I hosted a master class about money. That one is in English. I'll link everything in the description below. I also life coach around money to women, and I also learn about money every day. So the first step is understanding